going on, everyone? My name is Chris Dosa and I'm back again today with another review. Today we have my Android tablet. This is a 10.1 inch full 1080p HD tablet. Now, a couple things about this. I'm going to break it open. I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to have my daughter play with it, play some games, see what she thinks. She is 17, so we'll see how she likes it as well. Right up front, though, it has a 5 megapixel camera in the front, a 13 megapixel camera in the back. It actually has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabyte hard drive. It also has 12 core CPU and the battery's 8,000 milliamps, so it's gonna last for quite a while. So let's go ahead and break this open. Again, this is an Android-based tablet. However, it seems to be made very well. Right off the bat, you do get your warranty card and a manual, and then the tablet itself here. Let me just see what else you get. Looks like you get your charging cables, so your USB-C cable, as well as this is the square itself. And then you also get a SIM card pusher. So it looks like you can connect a SIM card up to this. All right, so taking the tablet out, you can see right off the bat, the finish is very nice here. So it has a nice, sleek design. Looks like it has speakers on the top, as well as your USB-C charging port here. You have your power button here and 2 audio buttons here. On the back, you can see you do have your camera. It has that 3 camera like some of the other popular brands. However, it is only 1 camera with a flash there. And then you have your camera in the front. Let me go ahead and turn this on. All right, so as soon as you turn it on, you will get set up with this nice bright home screen. It is super bright here. Everything is very, you can see this, I don't care. Everything is very quick and responsive here. It is an 8-core processor, so like I said, and it is backed by the Android system here. However, for this price point, and especially for kids, it's pretty good, to be honest. It's quite quick. You can see here scrolling, so here's some content. Let's see how fast it loads. And then you have the Play Store here, obviously. You have the Home Assistant, which is nice, so you can use this to set up your smart home, really, if you wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a couple games. I'm going to give it to my daughter, see what she thinks, and then we'll wrap it up.
I love this tablet for school because I can search anything up, any topic for my essays. It brings me everything that I need right then and there. Also, it's pretty cool because on my free time, when I don't want to be doing schoolwork,
You like the games, right?
Yeah, the games are freaking awesome. There's this one game that I really like, Clash of Clans.
Look how good it streams on there, guys.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
It's nice and bright.
Okay.
Wow.
What should we call you? Ugliest Countryside 47.
As you can see, y'all, it's able to play games, it's able to do schoolwork, surf the web.